Good morning, Izzy Wizzy. It's time to get up and cook breakfast.
Hi, Izzy Wizzy Nation. On today's show, I'm gonna cook pancakes. The thing we're gonna do is wash our hands. Okay, kids, we're gonna wash our hands. First thing we have to do is get the soap, and the soap wipe all the bacteria off, and you rub all on your hands together. And when the soap all on your hands, you get the water, and the water rinse all the bacteria off, and you have clean hands. They come in the refrigerator. Next, I'm gonna put pancakes in here. So you ask your parents, they help you.
That's good.
And now I'm gonna put water.
Just pour a little bit. All right.
Now I'm gonna stir.
Why you put your hand?
It smells like bread.
Smell like what?
Bread.
Bread?
Yeah. Now I'm going to mix a little bit more. I'm gonna put on the griddle. Come on, we can paint it.
Alrighty. Y'all don't mind our little thing. We just cook on here a lot. Alright. You gonna put the butter on now?
Yeah.
Alright. You just get it. There you go. So I'm right here helping him, you guys. Make sure he don't hurt himself.
Burn myself.
There you go. Rub it all around.
Kids, you ready?
Be careful. There you go. One.
One. Two.
Three. Well, not there, but.
Four.
Alright. I'm just gonna
Wait for them, and when they're ready, I'm gonna flip them over.
flip them over. Wait, flip it. Good.
One.
Oh!
Ah!
Hold on. Trying to. Oh! What? Hold the camera.
You got this. You got this, Mommy. You got this.
There we go. Go ahead.
Okay, you ready? Kids, 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! Hey, dance party! Dance party! Dance party! All right.
Now I'm gonna get the pink. 1, 2, 3.
One more. Yay! Good job.
Now it's trying to taste it, kids. time to eat, kids. Make sure you